Hello again, and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're expressing regret with I wish. Now you can use I wish plus a past form to express regret about the past, the present and the future. For example, a wish about a present situation. I wish I knew the answer. I wish I knew the answer, but I don't. I wish I knew the answer. I wish plus past simple. I wish I knew. I wish I knew the answer. You can use I wish to express a regret in the future. For example, I wish you would stop watching television when I'm talking to you. I wish you would stop watching television when I'm talking to you. I wish plus a past form of will. Would. I wish you would stop watching television when I'm talking to you. You can also use I wish with a past form to talk about the past. For example, I wish I had known you in 1999. I didn't, but I wish I had known. I wish plus past perfect. I wish I had known. I wish I had known you in 1999, but I didn't. So I wish plus a past form to express a regret about the present, the past or the future. Have a quick look at Uncle Geoff's board. Okay, have a look at these examples. First one, I wish I had more money. I haven't got more money. I'm very poor, so I wish I had more money. Now you can also use if only. If only I had more money. Both are exactly the same. If only makes it slightly stronger. So you can use I wish, you can use if only. Using if only makes the sentence slightly stronger, more emphatic. It gives it more emphasis. I wish I had more money. If only I had more money. Look at the second example. I wish it would stop raining sometime in the future. It's raining now. I would like the sun to come out. I wish it would stop raining. If only it would stop raining. If only it would stop raining. Again, if only makes it slightly stronger. And the last example. I wish I was taller, or I wish I were taller, was and were. A long time ago, were was the only acceptable form. I wish I were taller. I wish I were taller. However, in recent years, was has become much more acceptable. So you can use both. Personally, I prefer the slightly more old-fashioned version. I don't like using was. For lots of people, were is the acceptable form. However, with modern day usage, was is also okay. I wish I was taller, or I wish I were taller. You can also use, to make it slightly stronger, if only. If only I was taller. If only I were taller. The stress. I wish I had more money. If only I had more money. Put the stress here and here. I wish I had more money. And then on the noun. I wish I had more money. If only I had more money. Or I wish it would stop raining. Wish and if only, and again you want it to stop so that the stress is here. I wish it would stop raining, and I wish I were taller. Again the stress, I wish I were taller, and the stress there. I wish I were taller. If only I were taller. So there we are. English grammar, expressing regret with I wish and if only. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.